Hey everyone, want your AI art to look crisp, detailed, and professional? Today I'll show you how to use Story AI prompt settings for maximum quality. Let's get started. First, open the Story AI and log into your account. Then here in the dashboard, click the plus create button. And in the prompt box, type your detailed description. Then here in the prompt box, you need to be specific, be descriptive, and be detailed about your idea. Then here, select your style that best matches your idea, like realistic, fantasy, or anime. You can also adjust the canvas size for your project, but take note that it's only applicable to your upgraded version of the Stereo AI. And for the advanced settings, toggle on remove from image if you want to exclude certain elements. If you have a pro version, use prompt settings to fine-tune quality and detail for best result. Then here click generate and wait for the Stereo AI to process your artwork. And that's it. With the right prompt settings, Stereo AI can create a high quality masterpiece that truly stand out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.